Welcome back to the Belly Up Bar. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Today I'm going to make a Mai Tai. Guess what? Made plenty of them, but today I'm going to use a rum, 21 year from Panama. Haven't made it with this before. I'm going to give that a try. Comes in at 25%. And I'm going to call it the Mai Tai Zafra. So let's get started. 2 of the Zafras. This is a golden aged rum, so I'm going to add a little bit of topper to it at the end. And 1/2 Pierre Ferrand dry curacao. 1/2. I make a lot of Mai Tais here. I have a lot of rums, so I like to try different ones. And 1 lime. I like to do these by hand. Most of you probably would like to squeeze it. Not quite 1. Got a fresh pineapple here, waiting for the next cocktail. Figure out what to put in it. Okay, 1 lime. And 1/2 Gaffard Argite. And 1/4 evaporated cane. I'm going to use evaporated cane. You can use rock candy syrup. I like this pure cane syrup. 1/4. This is rich, 2-to-1. All right, and I've got a Mai Tai glass here. Ready for it. I'm going to shake it. All right, and then for some color, I'm going to use Trader Vic's dark rum. This adds a lot of great color to the top. And I'll take one of these spent limes, put it on the top. There we have it, another Mai Tai. I've made a lot of them on this channel, so welcome to search. Comes in at 25% ABV. And if you're interested in subscribing, there's a brown icon right there you can press. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.